In this video we will talk about upper back exercises for a strong back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. The back supports the weight of the upper body and has to be strong to carry out its work unhindered. People focus on strengthening their lower back, but upper back muscles too need toning up. A well-toned back looks good and helps in maintaining correct posture. Upper back exercises are a good way of strengthening the upper back. Some effective upper back exercises are mentioned below. Upper back exercises. Women would rather have a well-toned upper body, whereas men prefer a muscular back. Dumbbell pullovers and dumbbell rows are effective upper back exercises. Dumbbell pullover. You will need a narrow workout bench. Lie with the workbench supporting the upper back and neck, and your head leaning over one end. Place one leg each on either side of the bench with feet firmly placed on the ground. Lift the dumbbell over your face with arms stretched out. Slowly lower the dumbbell over your head in an arc. Hold, and bring it back to original position. Initially do 5 repetitions and gradually raise the count to 15. Another variation of this upper back exercise is to hold the dumbbell with bent arms. With elbows bent, slowly lower the dumbbell over your head in an arc. Hold, and then gently pull back the dumbbell to original position. Initially do 5 repetitions and gradually raise the count to 15. Dumbbell row. Place the dumbbell on the right side of the bench, and your left leg on the bench with the right foot firmly placed on the floor. Leaning forward, place the left hand on the bench in front of the body. Your back should be in horizontal position. Pick up the dumbbell and raise your arm slowly upwards until your upper arm is in level with your upper body. Hold, and take back your arm to the original position. Initially do 5 repetitions and gradually raise the count to 15. Now, repeat the exercise with the left arm. These upper back exercises are a great way to build a strong upper back that add to the V shape of the body. I hope you found some useful information and tips. I look forward to hearing from you. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.